guys, as I told you, we're still learning too much. Still we are dealing with page layout, and this is Julius Kawalya still presenting to you best tutorials. And thanks for subscribing. Like ITAU, that's the place where you will find the best and the best ICT knowledge. I remember last time we were dealing with page orientation. Okay, so we saw how to change our pages to different orientations. Okay, we said we have portrait and landscape, and this time we want to look at a new feature. Still we are going to be using page breaks. This is inserting a watermark. Okay, we are going to learn how to insert a watermark. Then we are going to learn how to insert a watermark on all pages, or one page having a watermark and one page not having a watermark. So sit back, this is going to be so good for you to learn. Okay, let us start with a new page, new document so this is our new document. I told you, now you note this carefully. I'm not going to use the page breaks. I'm just going to say insert blank page, blank page, blank page, blank page. Okay, after that I go to for example, let me go to insert a watermark. I'm going to insert, let me just insert this one, the general one. Have you seen? So it has been put on all documents. So I will get it hectic for me to change a particular one. Okay, when I try to delete, all of them will go, which I don't want. Okay, so the moment I click on this one, for example, they have told me to remove this one, or I try to edit this, have you seen? It is being reflected on all other pages, so that one will disturb you. So this is what you have to do. I told you, as you're inserting your pages, don't say insert blank page or page break. This time I'll say page layout, insert breaks, I'll say next page, let me assume 4 documents or 4 papers. Those are my 4 pages. Okay, now when you go there, you go to your header part, okay, of the second page. I told you this makes each page an individual page or an individual section in a document. So I switch off the link. That means page 1 is linked to page 2, page 3 and 4. And when something is linked, it's like a chain. What's on page 1 will be on page 2, 3 and 4. So I'll go also to page 2, 3, switch off the link. Then I'll go to page 4, switch off the link. Remember, you have only switched off the link in the header section. Then you go to the footer section also and you switch off this link. Simple as that. So that means each page is an individual page in this document. Are we together? So let me try to insert a footer, I mean a watermark this time. Let me say custom watermark. A moment, it's loading, depends on the speed of your computer. Okay, I'm going to use a text watermark. We have no watermark, we have a picture watermark. You can insert a picture watermark or you can insert a text. Let us start with inserting a picture watermark. So I'll select a picture. Remember, I had my pictures on the desktop in a folder called ITAU. Let me select this as my watermark. Then I'll say apply. So you see, my watermark has been applied on all pages. Okay, but now the good thing is I switched off the link. So they may tell you in a paper, let page 2 have a different watermark and let page 4 have no watermark. Are we together? So if you use that process of page breaks, that will mean your work is going to be simplified. So that will mean I'll just click in this watermark here. Let me go back. Sorry, design, yes, I'll select this watermark. We have 1, 2, then I'll say delete. Have you seen? I've deleted this watermark. So let me try to insert another watermark instead. Are we together? I'll say watermark. This time I want to insert, don't copy. Okay, so it's only on this page, the other ones don't have. Okay, Ctrl Z. So I've inserted This one also has no. I can just delete. So that means I've inserted. This one has a watermark, this one has no. Let's try it with a word and we see. Let's try it with a word. I'll come to page 1 like this, insert watermark, custom watermark. This time I will use text and I'll say coronavirus. So I'll change the font to copper black. I like copper black. Then I'll change the color to blue. Then I'll say apply. Okay, coronavirus. Yes, that's good. Let it be horizontal. Horizontal means it is straight. I think you can watch this and see. Apply. Have you seen horizontal? So this is diagonal. It is cutting through the page. Semi-transparent. Are you seeing? It's a bit transparent, but you have to switch on semi-transparent so that it becomes faint in the page, or it appears behind your text. Then I'll say okay. Now they will tell you switch or change the watermark on page 2 to something else. Instead of corona, put there virus. So I'll double click in the header, come select my coronavirus like that. Are we together? So this means here I can even rotate it without others rotating, because I set each page to be an individual page. I can even change this one. You just right click, then you say edit text. From corona, I'll just delete the corona. I can even change the font to this, to that. Then I say okay. Have you seen? So I have changed it as I want. So this one is a different one. I can even change this one again. Right click, edit text. I put there deadly. Then I say bold and I say okay. So I can still change this, make it smaller, pull it up, make it deadly. I can even play around with the text, rotate it. I can even use word art instead. Okay, but I don't want to use that. Okay, so I have changed it like that. Have you seen? So I'm having different watermarks on each page, but remember, to be more secure you have to use layout, okay, page breaks. So whenever you insert next page, it gives you a different type of page, making it one page or a single page in a document. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Continue watching and continue subscribing. Tell a friend. Hope we have learned. Remember, you have to use page breaks, next page, then double click in the header section, then switch off the link for every page. I think you see when you put it on in this page, it is showing you it is linked. The same thing here, switch off the link, okay. Then insert a page layout, watermark, custom text. Instead of ASAP, let us use learn. Then I say color, let it be red, apply. Okay, so it has been applied on all. You just click on the first one, then you go to the next one, delete. That's it, done. No wasting time. Do this and this, simple and clear. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. ITAU, ICT is fun.